Ms. Herrera, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or dope, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you have a valid Texas driver license? Do you have valid liability insurance in your name? Then you're not allowed to drive, and I'm going to have you sign with me today an affidavit promising me that you're not going to drive. If I catch you driving without both of those, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to light you up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It's the second time you have a DWI and you flee from an accident. No more. And I'm going to tell you now also, if they ever issue another warrant for you for this type of offense now, you will never get another bond. Do you understand?
Understand.
Pay your child support. We're giving you 2 weeks to go turn yourself in as well. You will not get another bond, Mr. Jack.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's set bond at $500.
Onset of 500, waiver withdrawals been e-filed.
Okay. So we will get you out of here today. Within the 2 weeks, you must either turn yourself in, post bond. If you do that, this fugitive case against you gets dismissed. If you fail to go turn yourself in or anything else, like what we told you, I will revoke this bond, set it at 0. It's not going to happen again. I won't get you, and I'm going to hold you until they come and get you from, is it Michigan, right?
Yes.
Understand what's expected of you.
Understand, sir.
Good luck. Eric,
Maybe that's tomorrow, it depends on how days go.
thanks for the warning. Are you Myra Herrera? Ms. Herrera, you're charged with failure to stop and give information. You're also charged with driving while intoxicated. Is it a second? Is it a first?
It's, so Your Honor, the prior was dismissed PTI.
Okay, if we're going to do probable cause, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, man. Okay, please.
On 4/17/2024, the officer was dispatched to a crash, a major crash. The complainant was rear-ended, causing approximately $80,000 to his 2021 Lexus. Excuse me, $8,000. $8,000 to his 2021 Lexus. Is Lexus IS 300. Defendant did not stop. They continued to drive away. The complainant followed the defendant for approximately 30 minutes. One stop, CW attempted to speak to the defendant, who was refusing to provide information and run away from him. Before she finally gave complainant her Texas driver's license, approximately 10 minutes of trying to talk to her, but not her insurance. Defendant had slurred speech, a strong odor of alcohol emanating from her breath, red bloodshot eyes, and was unsteady balance. Defendant admitted to drinking 3 Miller Lights at the Astros game, but was unable to recall when she started and when she finished. The defendant continued to change her story and was unable to keep her statements clear. The defendant stated that she was in the same car as the complainant during the crash and that the complainant's twin brother was the person driving but ran off. The defendant was asked to stand for for the standard field sobriety test multiple times, but refused while being taken to JPC. The defendant vomited in the back seat of the affianced vehicle. When asked last time to conduct the standard field sobriety test, she stated that she would like to consult with her lawyer. Yes, he read and defendant declined sample.
So blood work was actually.
Blood work. Did you guys run her license, see if she has a valid license? Ms. Herrera, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or dope, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you have a valid Texas driver license? Do you have valid liability insurance in your name? Then you're not allowed to drive, and I'm going to have you sign with me today an affidavit promising me that you're not going to drive. If I catch you driving without both of those, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to light you up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It's the second time you have a DWI and you flee from an accident. No more.
If this courtroom trial has you hooked, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more intense trials and shocking outbursts. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks.
One quick question. If she obtains the insurance, we can have her position on driving at that time.
Perhaps. But I'm really upset that we now have a second time where it's a DWI and she flees from the scene again. She didn't get it the first time. What's it going to take?
I understand your position.
What is it going to, do you need to kill someone for you to get it?
Your Honor, defendant's up.
Just get.
Okay. I'm taking it away now. You're not allowed to drive. You understand? This is an affidavit. So if you violate this, and I don't care what your excuse is, I can have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing 6 months in jail every single time you drive. Do you understand? You will be ordered to obtain an ignition interlock. Well, you're not allowed to drive, so you'll be getting a portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol. You have a lawyer. I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with either with Mr. DeToto or Willie, and they will guide you upon this DWI and your other case. Now, I don't want any bond violations. If I find that you're consuming alcohol and you become a problem, likewise, I'm going to put you in a rehab facility in the jail. Do you understand? You know what I'd like to see, Willie? Before I allow her to drive, I want to see proactive measures that she's taken to show us that she understands the gravity of what's happened in the past. Until that point, until I know that the people of Harris County are safe, I don't want you on the streets at all. You scare me. Do you understand? Do we have, you said it's a major accident. Were there any injuries?
No, Judge, no allegations of injuries, just the vehicle was rear-ended.
Okay, I'm gonna have you come up here, swear to us that you're not gonna drive. We'll get you to Victoria to sign a reset. You'll get with Jeremiah for your bond commission. After that, you guys are free to go. Thanks. You too, man.
Cooper, come on up.
Yes, it's slow.
Who's this?
Cooper, on stage 5.
Got it. Are you Shannon Cooper?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Cooper, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. 417, officer dispatched to a wrong-way driver in Harris County, Texas. Real witness observed a vehicle driving on a public roadway, swerving across 2 lanes and almost hitting the guardrail. The witness observed the defendant then drive into the parking lot, and officers pulled up shortly after. The defendant was the sole occupant of the vehicle. Officers noticed a strong smell of alcoholic beverage and was staggering and swaying back and forth. Said the field sobriety test refused. DIC red, breath refused, blood warrant was issued. You're right. So first he had a DWI 2006, 1 in 2009, and 2 in 2010.
Oh, those are drivers with all license. DWLIs. The only DWI is 2006.
I do see that he has a failure to stop and render aid, though, from
He does have a failure to stop and render aid.
where someone died.
Yes, correct. He was put on deferred.
Bad things happen when you get in a car, Mr. Cooper. I am now taking away your privilege to drive from you permanently. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No driving, and I'm going to have you now sign an affidavit with me promising me you're not going to drive. If you drive, and I don't care what your excuse is, I don't care if Mother Teresa needs to ride to church, you drive, you will be facing a contempt charge up to 6 months of jail and a $500 fine every time you get in a car and drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm also now ordering you to obtain a handheld interlock device that you're going to take with you. Prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of dope, you will go to jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living, sir? What do you do for a living?
Construction, for fire sprinklers, foreman,
How much money do you make a month?
34 an hour.
We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will get you to Victoria. We're going to have you sign a reset. After that, you'll get to Jeremiah, where we're going to have you sign your bond conditions. Don't drink alcohol, and above all else, do not drive. Things will go sideways so quick if I find you in a car. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on.
I do already have an interlock for the paperwork and everything.
Okay, so we're going to switch you now to a portable device. So you're going to have to use someone else to take your car to get that thing taken off. Okay, well, let's do this. Is it waived, the fee?
But
I'm going to have you get a portable device so I know it, and I will waive the fee so it won't cost you anything, so that you're not double paying. Okay. But don't. Prosecutors, you don't need to. What you need to do is you need to hire a lawyer, and you need to get on it quick. Okay? So let's get you started with all the paperwork, and then I would advise you, as soon as you get out of here, start contacting lawyers. Okay? Please. Speak English, sir.
Yes,
They're not very happy with you, and they want to withdraw from your case. Do you know why?
no, really.
Yes. Why are they unhappy? ¿Por qué no están contento contigo? Tu abogado.
I don't know.
Porque no la has pagado.
Yeah, I pay already.
Saying that you pay.
I
Mira,
pay already.
te voy a dar 2 semanas. Tienes que poner la cosa en tu auto. Tienes que pagar la fianza para entrar en este programa. Tienes 2 semanas para hacerlo.
Ya tengo la cosa en el carro.
you know,
Okay, so solamente tienes que...
I made a mistake.
Yeah,
He's paid.
yeah,
Paid for.
yeah, pay. Yeah.
I made a mistake. I was looking at that one and looking at that one. Hey, that's my fault.
So we're happy?
I have to apologize to him.
Okay.
So we're happy, Mr. Goins?
Yes, we're happy.
Fantastic. All right, so mira, muy bien. Solamente tienes que pagar el 300 para entrar el programa y ya vas a entrar. Okay, te voy a dar 2 semanas para hacer eso. Tienes que hablar con tu abogado y ellos te van a ayudar. ¿Ok?
Gracias.
Por favor. 7806. Michael, what is his name?
Mucho gusto, caballero. Solo le contesta en español, pues, no se mal, solo mil dólares.
Villegas.
Jorge Villegas.
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 I'm sorry.
VILL.
This is my fault.
Do you know why you're here?
¿Usted sabe por qué está aquí? ¿Tiene que hablar sí o no?
Yo digo que porque tiene un error, no sé, porque él va a manejar el camión y no sé.
I say well because I committed a mistake. I don't know. You know, I tried to drive the truck and
Does he even have a license?
¿tiene licencia para conducir?
Sí,
Yes.
Have a Texas
¿Tiene
driver?
licencia de conducir de Texas?
sí.
Yes.
I am now, you tested positive for alcohol.
Por alcohol. Por alcohol.
Yo digo que sí, porque fui a una fiesta y no sé, y al último me tomé unas.
Well, I would say yes because I went to a party and toward the end I did have a few drinks.
Yeah.
Now you're going to jail.
Estaba ahí en la casa.
Bye-bye.
Hasta luego.
Goes with you.
Con el
Goes with
oficial.
you. Don't send him down, please.
I like VILVGAs.
Thank you.
Scare him a bit.
That's right.
And I'm gonna put an ankle monitor on him and I'm taking away his ability to drive now.
That's right.
You got 3 cases. Oh, 2.
He's got 2. He's got the second DWI and then an unlawful carrying. And I'm gonna, if he ever so much as test positive again, I'm gonna make his bond so high, he's gonna flip. So I'm gonna hold him for about an hour, scare him. And then, so pick a date, but, he'll be responsible now for the scram. And then I'm gonna admonish him that if he ever does it again, I'm gonna just, it'll be a permanent position for him. Yep. Okay. Thanks, Michael.
Thanks for joining us and witnessing this intense courtroom moment. If this trial got you thinking, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more gripping courtroom moments as we continue to bring you the most shocking trials. See you in the next one.